Guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Just beyond the North Coast Highway, off the outskirts of Falmouth, Trelawny, in Greenside sits this 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom house. It sits on approximately 38,387 square feet of luscious rocky land that boasts fruit trees such as mango, papaya trees, and plenty of land space to plant so much more. On the exterior of the property consists of a concrete reservoir, paved and enclosed backyard for that family barbecue, an extended driveway going to meet the home. On the lower floor consists a one-car open garage. On the first floor consists of a one-bedroom with ensuite bathroom that can be utilized as an office, an entertainment room that boasts a beautifully decorated rock by nature, a bedroom with ensuite bathroom, which is called the rock room. From the lower floor, a staircase leading to the upper floor, which boasts a foyer, kitchen, and additional room that is attached to the kitchen. Then there's an open concept living and dining with high wooden ceiling. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 650,000 or Jamaican $100 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.